on question number 2, I'm trying to solve this using dimensional analysis. And because I'm working with a syringe that's measured in mLs, I know my final answer needs to be in mLs. So next I want to try and find the strength, which is 20 milligrams per milliliter. And in my dimensional analysis, I want to specifically write this as 1 ml over 20 mg, not 20 mg over 1 ml. And this is so that the numerator of my first fraction matches the units that I'm trying to achieve. Okay, so my order is in micrograms, and I don't see any micrograms yet in my dimensional analysis. So I need to first put a conversion here. And I know from my conversion chart that 1 milligram is equal to 1,000 micrograms. And I do want to specifically put it in this order. I don't want to put 1,000 micrograms over 1 milligram, at least not for this question, because I need my milligrams to match and cancel. Okay, so now that I have micrograms here, now I can multiply by the order. So my order is 57,600 micrograms. So the micrograms will match and cancel, the milligrams will match and cancel, and then the units will match here. And those will be my final units, which is what I want. So if I multiply the tops, that's going to be 57,600 mLs over, if I multiply the bottoms, that's going to give me 20,000. So then if I divide, then I'm going to get 2.88 ml, which we're supposed to round that to the nearest tenth. So 2.9 mLs. And that's going to be right here. And then I need to shade it, and that'll be our answer.